Howdy, howdy, howdy. Happy to be here and happy you're back with me again. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy my video and I hope you will subscribe. Today's video is going to be what I've done in a week. And let's just first off start with basket number 1 for Sunday is empty. I had my event last Saturday, and boy, yeah, once again, it takes me all day to recuperate the next day. So, Sunday was empty. So we'll just put that basket down here. And, alright, so Monday, let's just dive right in, shall we? Monday, I got 4 chicken nuggets. Look at them. I love their little baskets. I just love it. They're a little small for the basket, but still, everybody loves them in their little basket. And I also accomplished 2 possums on that Monday. Very productive day for Monday. I was very happy with that. I was like, yeah, getting her done. Okay, and then let's see which basket here is Tuesday. I don't have them in order. I should, but I don't. Okay, Tuesday. Tuesday I got 2 turtles done. And it seems like after every event I have to make another purple turtle. This purple turtle sells all the time. It's just like, wow. Everybody loves the purple turtle. And then I decided to go with a couple of different colors here, and I went with a pink. It's really soft pink. It's that Sweet Snuggles Light. It's my first time using it, and so yeah, we'll see. It works up really quickly. It has very little resistance, but it definitely gives off a different stitch look. If you'll look in between the two, they definitely have a different look. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to that kind of yarn. But I do love that it works up faster because it has little resistance. So I do like that about it. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to Wednesday. And Wednesday's basket has a turtle in it. I found this gorgeous dark color Bernat at Walmart of all places. And yeah, I was like, oh, haven't seen that color before. And he is just gorgeous. I love it. And then I also managed to get another possum done. So my goal is to restock the items that I had sold, but I'm upping it to 6 items per thing. So like I already have 2 chicken nuggets left over, so I made 4. I already have 3 possums. No, I already have 2 possums left over, so I'm making 4. You see where I'm going with this? So all of these are to up the ante to 6 items per design. And the reason why is because in 2 weeks, is it 2 weeks? I don't even know anymore. The first Saturday of next month is going to be a 2 day event, and it's supposed to be high traffic, and so I am really amping it up so I will have plenty of stock to go around. Let's hope. All right, let's move on. We have, where are we at? Wednesday, Thursday. I don't even know what day I'm on anymore. Okay, so Thursday, I went ahead and completed 2 more chickens just to get some chickens done. That brings me up to 6 chickens. I don't think I'm going to go any higher than that, but we'll see. And then, of course, the last little possum. And then I got a little creative. And I don't know if you've noticed yet or not, on my website there's a brand new free pattern. And it started with this one. And I was like, oh, that's cute, you know. Could be a mouse, could be a cat, you know. Could be anything, I guess. But I went ahead and went with cat because that's what I was going after. But then I was like, his ears are too big, you know. And so I downsized it, and I can't remember what else I did, but I did something else different. You want to see his tail? There is his tail. And the tail is like tacked down so that it's only halfway sticking out. And so anyway, and then I quickly went and wrote up the pattern. And then, of course, I had to test it to make sure it was, like, beautiful. So, we have a basket full of kitties. So, this is now a Friday. And Friday, I did some major kitty production. Like, I say major because, you know, I had other things I had to get done as well, but each one of these only takes, I can't hold them all. I just can't. I tried. Okay, so here's 2. This is like a really hot pink. It looks red, and a blue, and then we have a lavender and a peach color. And so yeah, the pattern is solid. I've made 6 of them, no problems. So that's free on my website. I'll have the link down below. And then my sister called. She goes, do you have a star? And I was like, no, I don't have a star. I don't even know where to begin with a star. And so, of course, I looked up this pattern on YouTube, and hers was like probably this big, you know, out here. But this is what I came up with. I did modify it just a little bit, but not by much. And I'll put that link down below for you. That person did not actually write up the pattern, but she did do a tutorial for it, you know, and so I just followed as best as I could. And there you go. I made a star. Because you are a star. Okay. That's going to be for my little, what is it? Great niece. My great niece is due in January. Like, whew, how'd that happen? I have some very younger siblings. That's how that happened. Okay, and now we're going to move on to yesterday. Yesterday, my day did not start out very well. I was, so many pain pills. But by the end of the day, I was like feeling better. And so this is what I came up with. And you know how I feel about bees. I'm not that great on bees. I love bees in nature. I'm just not very keen on the look of the crocheted bee. But I broke down and gave it a whirl, and I did my own thing. And here we go. We we have some bees. So there you go. And they are only 2 bands. And I'm going to tell you this pattern. If you want a pen and piece of paper, go get it, because I'm going to tell you this pattern real quick. This is 8, 16, 24, 30, 36, 36, change color, black, 2 rows 36, change color, yellow, 2 rows 36, change color, black, 2 rows 36, change color, yellow, 1 row 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, and 6. That's the V pattern. The eyes are positioned at round 1, 2, 3, 4. Positioned at round 4 on both sides, with a little bitty pink little line under the eye. The wings are 2 pieces, and they are 8, 16, 24. Leave a tail for sewing. I use the center tail to go down into the thing and come out the back, and then I sewed the piece on in the center and pulled that out the back, tied the bow, put it back in. I actually used a little bit of glue right here at the base of the wing just to secure that, because it did come up just a little bit. But it's just fabric glue, that's all. And same thing for the other side. I put them super close together, side by side. And there you go. 1B. That's all there was to it. And so there. If you have a piece of pen and paper, write it down. I made 6 of these in one evening. They took just under an hour a piece. Just like the kitty cats were right at 1 hour a piece, and these were just under an hour a piece. And I made 6 of those. So there you go. That is my week. I had a very productive week, and I don't know what's next. I need to check my list. Ooh, did you see that? Wow, we had an earthquake. No, I'm just kidding. I bumped it with my foot. So anyway, I have to check my list and see what's up next. I definitely do need to get some dinosaurs done. Today I was supposed to finish up some of these unfinished projects that I have going on here. I have an unfinished dinosaur. I have an unfinished kitty cat. I have an unfinished polar bear and a unfinished frog. My rainbow toad frog. And what else? Oh, I had a baby blanket I wanted to finish off as well. So, needless to say, None of that got done today. I got halfway done with the kitty cat and ran out of that particular yarn. So, yeah, that didn't go well. So that threw me off. It threw me off of my deal. And I was just like, screw it, I'm going to go play some bingo. That's my relaxation, is playing some bingo. Anyway, so let's hope next week is just as productive. I do plan to make a video about a project that I was working on a couple of days ago that I haven't finished, and it is my very first old pattern Halloween. Remember, I was gonna go through all my old patterns and find some Halloween things. Well, I found a very old one, and of course I found flaws with it as well. So I will go through that with you and let you know what alterations I did versus what the pattern says to do, because yeah, it has some issues. But that's it. Look forward to that pattern, that video, and that's it. I'm done. I ain't got nothing else. I will talk at y'all later. Thank you for being here, and happy crocheting. Bye bye.